Welcome to my YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Friend, this is Kadam Academy. Please subscribe my channel if not subscribed. By using this energy method, we are solving this numerical, DOM numerical, vibration numerical for the single degree of freedom, free vibration. So this is the one example to show you. I will give you in brief detail of this example. An electric motor. This is the electric motor. This black and suspended by 4 springs. How many? 4 springs are there. See here. 1, 2, 3 on this side. These 4 springs are there. So these 4 springs will suspend this motor, electric motor. And stiffness of each spring is K. 4 spring 4K. This is the figure 1. Okay. This is the figure 1. If the mass of moment of inertia for this electric motor is I0. So we have to find the natural frequency omega n of this vibration. So omega n we have to find out here what is the value of omega n, or frequency of oscillation we have to find out what is the value of frequency of oscillation Fn. Friend, here for this I will show you this diagram in detail diagram. Suppose this electric motor, let the electric motor is turned by this angle theta. Okay. Like this. This is the horizontal electric motor. Like this, you are turned to angle theta. Here. This angle through this it is turned in clockwise direction. Means this direction. See, this is the direction. Here it is turned. So what will happen then? Due to this clockwise direction turning of this theta, which will affect the springs, the left hand spring, right hand spring. This is the right hand spring. 2 springs are there, and left hand 2 springs are there. Here this spring will get stretch. It will get stretch, and this spring will get compress. These springs get compress here. See. Stretch, this is compress. Both the springs, all 4 springs will get stretched by distance x. This stretch by distance x, or this compress by distance x. And this x, you can write x is equal to a theta by using this relation of this triangle. You can calculate by using this right angle triangle. Value of x is equal to a theta. A is what? A is the distance from this center. Okay, it is attached. Okay, see, this is the A is the distance of the connected to the center. This is the center of this electric motor. Friend, here IO is the values are given to you. Here all the values are given to you. So this solution for this one I will write here. Solve this numerical. In this case, this x is the displacement or deflection of all 4 springs. Okay, and theta is the angular displacement of this electric motor. So what we have to do? We have to find out the natural frequency. So by using energy method, by using this energy principle or energy method, we have to find out. So what energy principle state? The total energy, which is equal to, this is what, total energy is equal to the total kinetic energy of the system, plus potential energy of system, which is equal to always constant. That means what? Energy cannot be created nor destroyed, and it can be converted from one form to another form. Kinetic energy, potential energy is converted continuously. So this here the two terms are there, kinetic energy and potential energy. We have to find out the total kinetic energy. How to find out this? We consider here, considering suppose this system, the electric motor is rotating. This motor is just turned and that is rotating due to this by angle theta. So there is a rotary motion inside this motor. So rotary motion of this electric motor. So what will happen? This K rotary, this kinetic energy due to this rotary motion, I will find out that half into I0 into theta dot square. I0 is mass moment of inertia into theta dot square. I0 half. So half mv square, like this, half I0 theta dot square. I0 is what? This is the mass moment of inertia for this electric motor. Mass moment of inertia for this electric motor. Okay, I written here electric motor as a EM. So friend, here this is the formula for this rotary motion of the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy in rotary motion we have just calculated. Now the potential energy, total potential energy, or we can say the strain energy. This total strength means the spring. Due to the spring, the energy stored inside the spring, the strain is the four springs are there, and due to this, what will happen? That we have to find out the PE is equal to, or we can say the SE, strain energy, is equal to 4 times half into kx square. 4 times half into k square. But in terms of theta, we have to find out this equation in terms of theta. So I will put x is equal to here, x is equal to this a into theta, So what will the here 1 by 2, no sorry, this is twice k into a square theta square, correct? So this is your P, potential energy, total potential energy. This is kinetic energy. So U is equal to what? Ke plus P. This is the equation number 3. This is equation number 2, and this is the equation number. This is equation number 1. So putting this equation 2 and this equation 3 in equation 1. This is equation 1. So I will write here directly, that is equal to constant. So Ke, what is the value of Ke? Ke is half into I0 C. I am writing here. Ke is half into I0 theta dot square plus twice k a square theta square, which is equal to 0. differentiating this u, differentiate this total energy with respect to time t. So du by dt, which is equal to 0. So this term we have to differentiate with respect to dt. So what will the next? I will write here in next step, half into I0 as it is. This theta dot square differentiation 2 into theta double dot. Okay, plus 2 into k into a square. A is a constant, k is also constant, 2 is also constant. So theta square, differentiation of theta square becomes 2 into theta dot is equal to 0. This theta dot will get cancelled. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? I will write here directly. So I0 theta double dot plus 4 times ka square theta, that is equal to 0. So remaining is the last term, theta double dot plus 4 ka square divided by I0 into theta is equal to 0. So friend, here just comparing with this equation of the SHM, this equation is compared with the equation of SHM. That equation is what? X double dot plus omega n square x is equal to 0. This equation is compared with this equation. So we can write here omega n square, which is equal to 4ka square divided by I0, or omega n is equal to under root of 4ka square divided by I0. Or the final answer we will write here. The frequency of oscillation we have to find out is Fn is equal to omega n by 2 pi, or we can write here 1 upon 2 pi under root of is 4ka square divided by I0. So this is the final answer which is expected to find out. So friend, here Fn is asked for this electric motor with the 4 springs. Okay, through these steps. Okay, you just go through this video, you will get the step in detail. So friends, if still you are not subscribe my channel Kadam Academy, please subscribe this channel for more videos, and that will give you the very good idea.